Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and let me share with you how to delete the screenshot immediately after taking it. So let me actually explain what I mean. Let me first of all take a screenshot. So I'll just use the power button and volume down button together, press it once. Now we've made a screenshot, and as you can see right here, we've got this specific bar, thanks to which we can do certain actions. So let me do it again. So for example, here we can edit it. I don't know, what is it that? Oh, so we can tag the screenshot. We can also share it. And we can use the finder. I forgot how to say how it is called. However, we can just mark something and look for it in the internet. But there is no option to remove that kind of screenshot, because let's be honest, sometimes we are making a lot of screenshots and we are just catching the wrong content, the content we don't really want to save. So the option to immediately remove the screenshot would be helpful. So in this tutorial, I'd like to share with you how to do it, how to add an additional option to this option bar. So the first thing you need to do is to download the app, which is called Good Lock, with this puzzle icon. It is available in the Google Play Store or the Galaxy Store. It's up to you from which place you'd like to download it. It is free of charge, which is great, and it was designed specifically for Samsung, so it is for sure safe for your device. So just find this app, download it, and then tap on it. Maybe not the camera, tap on it. So here we've got this plugin section, and what I need you to do is to scroll and find the option which is called Nice Shot. Then just tap on this download icon here and let your device download this plugin. After that, let's scroll up and find the Nice Shot and tap on it. So as you can see right here, we've got this option Add Delete button. So just tap on it, and now let me take a screenshot again. And as you can see here, we've got this little trash bin icon, and it means that we can immediately remove the screenshot without the need to enter the gallery, find it, and then remove it. We can just do it immediately after taking. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.